Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Dhronas. So today we'll again do a small practice set for West Bengal Police and Kolkata Police Constable. ठीक है? This should be your set number 5. So let's start. ठीक है. तो what's the first question given here? The first question is given about statements and conclusion. So you know this is a question and this is the answers given, so we should look if the answer matches with the question. So what does the first statement says? The first statement says some cars are buses. So let's see, cars, buses. Then some buses are trucks. Buses, truck. Some buses are trucks. Then no truck is scooter. So no truck is scooter. ठीक है, questions खत्म. Then what does the conclusion says? The conclusion says some cars are scooter. We can see some cars and scooter, there is no relation between them, so the first option is incorrect. Next, then some buses are scooter. Some buses are scooter, we again cannot see any relation between them, so second option is also incorrect. And the third one says some trucks are car. Some trucks are car, we again cannot see any relation between them, so third option is also incorrect. So none follows, none of the conclusions follows here. ठीक है, चलो let's move on to the next question. ठीक है, next question is about relation between them. Next question is about relations between them. So what it is given? Cow, milk. Then what does B gives us? We know cow gives us milk. We know cow gives us milk. What does B gives us? B gives us honey. Egg is given by hens. Silk is given by silkworm. And water is natural resource. It can be obtained from rainwater. So B gives us honey. ठीक है, चलो next question पे. ठीक है, next question is also about relation. Next question is also about what? Relation. So what it is given? It is given 64 gives us 8. So what? So we know what it is given. 64 is 8. We know 64 is 8 square. So let's see which option. Let's take option number 1. That means the second number should be the square to obtain the first number. Second number should be the square to obtain the first number. So we can see 10. So if we go with 10 square, it gives us 100. So option number A is incorrect. Then second option, what it is given? 0.01 times square gives us 0.0001. So it is 0.1. Second option is also incorrect. Option number C, 0.1 whole square gives us 0.01. See, option number C is correct. And option number D is incorrect because 0.01 gives us 0.01. So option C is correct. So what we can see? The first number is obtained from the second number square. Okay. चलो let's move on to the next question. ठीक है. Next question is finding the odd one out. Odd one. Next question is finding the odd one. We can see what are the numbers given: 49, 36, 8 and 16. So you can see 49 is 7 square. You can see 36 is 6 square. 8 is 2 cube. And 16 is 4 square. See, all the numbers are square except for option number C, that is 8, because it is the cube of 2. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. Okay, Next question is arrange the following in the logical and meaningful order. So we have to just arrange. It's about arranging it. It's about arranging. So what are the given? Excuse me. It is given recovery, doctor, accident, hospital and ambulance. So we know how it is interrelated. We know first should be accident. We know first if there is accident, then ambulance comes, then ambulance should come in place. Ambulance takes us to the hospital. In hospital we have doctor for checkup, and after doctor we go with recovery. So what is the logic here? First accident should take place, then ambulance comes in place to take us to the hospital, then in hospital we get the doctors who check up us, and at the last we get recovery. So the option is 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Where it is given 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, option number D. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. Okay, so next question is also again about relation between the classes. So what is the relation we have to find? Language, English and Hindi. We have to find for relation between language, English and Hindi. So we know English is a language. We know English is a language. Again same, we know Hindi is a language. English and Hindi are language. Then again we can go with Tamil, then we can go with Urdu, then we can go with Bengali. All these are what? All these are related to language. So if we take English this, Hindi this and language this, can this be possible? Because English cannot be related with Hindi, so option A is incorrect. Same, if we take Hindi here, English here, language here, we cannot say Hindi and English are the same, so this relation cannot take place, so option number B is also incorrect. Then if we take Hindi here, English here, language here, it cannot be possible because we know English and Hindi are a part of language. So if we take language here, Hindi here and English here, see this is correct, because in language we get the language of Hindi as well as of English and the leftover part for the rest of the languages. So option number D is correct. ठीक है, चलो let's move on to the next question. Okay, again it's about statements and conclusion. So statements and conclusion. So what is the statement says? The first statement says all watches are digital. So all watches are digital. Then what we have? No digital is analog. Okay, no digital is analog. ठीक है. And the last one says all digital are smart. See, all digital, so we can go with all digital are smart. So this is the required diagram for us. So what does the conclusion says? The conclusion says no smart is analog. No smart is analog. It can be possible if we make like this. See, all watch are digital, no digital is analog. But if we make like this, see, smart is a part of analog but digital is not a part of analog, so it can take place. So first option is incorrect. Next, some analog are watch. Some analog are watch. No, it cannot be possible because it is said that no digital is analog and watch is a part of digital, so no watch should be analog. So option number 2 is incorrect. And the third one is give some smart are watch. Some smart are watch. Yes, see, some smart are watch. So option number 3 is correct. So option D, only conclusion 3 follows. This is the required diagram, not this one. I just show the possibility for the first one. Conclusion number 1, possibilities. main diagram is this. ठीक है, so option number 3 is correct. Only some smarter watch, some smarter watch. ठीक, चलो अगला पे. Okay, so what it is given, plus denotes minus. I am writing here, plus is equals to minus, minus gives us multiply, multiply gives us divide, and divide gives us plus. So what is the question given here? 42 divided by 6 minus 8 multiplied by 24 plus 11 gives us what? ठीक है, so 42 divide means plus, so 42 plus 6 minus means multiply, multiply 8, multiply means divide, so divide by 24, and plus means minus. So you can see 8 3s are 24, 3 2s are 6, so it gives us 42 plus 2 minus 11, which gives us 44 minus 11, that is 33 as our answer. So option number D is correct. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट पे. Okay, so again this is about relation. What is given? Sky is equals to 52, moon is equals to 53. So what does earth gives us? So let's, I am writing here sky. So what is the place value of S? I have said previously, just write from A till Z and the place values of the letters in the examination hall, so that you don't get any type of confusion. It will take hardly 1 minute to write, maximum. ठीक है, so sky, what is the place value of S? It is 19. What is the place value of K? It is 11. And what is the place value of Y? It is 25. Just add it. What we are getting? We are getting 55. See, 11 plus 19 plus 11 is 30, 30 plus 25 is 55, but what it is given here? 52. So just minus 3, we are getting 52. ठीक है, चलो let's see if this logic applies here. So what it is there? What it is given? Moon. So we know place value of M is 13, of O we have 15, and for N we have 14. Add it. So what we get? 15 plus 15 is 30, 30 plus 27 is 57, but what it is given here? 53. So we have to minus 4 for getting 53. So here it is 3, here it is 4. So what is the logic here? See, 3, how many letters are there? 1 2 3. That's why minus 3 is been subtracted. And here how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 letters. See, 4 is subtracted from here. So similarly, if we go with earth, what it is given? Earth. So we know place value of E is 5, place value of A is 1, place value of R is 18, place value of T is 20, and place value of H is 8. Just add it. So what we can get? 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 18 is 24, 24 plus 20 is 44, 44 plus 8 is 52. And how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 letters. Just subtract 5 from it. So what we are getting? 47. So option number A is correct. So what was the logic here? The logic here was adding all the place values of the letter and subtracting the how many letters are there in the given word. Hope you got it. Chalo, next question. Okay. Next question is missing series. What it is given? Missing series. Chalo, what is the question? 3, 5, 35, 10, 12, 35, question mark, question mark. Okay, if we can see 35 and 35 here is common, rest 4 digits are different. So if we see the first digit 3 and 10, what is the gap of 3 and 10? 7. And if we see 5 and 12, what is the gap? Again 7. So if we go with 10, gap of 7, we get 17, and 12, again gap of 7, we get 19. So 17 and 19, option C. ठीक है, चलो next one. Okay, next one is about blood relation. Next one is about blood relation. ठीक है, what it is given in the question, 6 members in a family, namely A, B, C, D, E and F. So in the previous class I have stated that I personally denote plus means male, minus means female, arrows means brother and sister, and this sign means married couple. Married couple. ठीक है? So what does the question says? B is the son of C. Okay, B is the son of C, is not the mother of B, and it is not the mother, that means C is the father of B. Then we have A and C. See, it is given B is the son of C, B is the son of C, is not the mother of B, that means C is the father of B. Then we have A and C are married couples, that means A and C are married couples, that means A should be the wife of C. Then we have E is the brother of C, E is the brother, that means E is the brother. See, E is the brother. Oh, sorry, E is the brother of C. Acha, E is the brother of C. Then we have D is the daughter of A. D is the daughter, that means A is daughter, D is the daughter of A, that means D is the sister of B, that means D is the sister of B. Then we have F is the brother of B. F is the brother of B, that means D is the sister of F also. So questions completes here. That means C is the husband of A, whereas E is the brother of C, and A and C have 3 children, namely F, B and D. So what does the question says? Question says how many female members are there in the family? How many female members? See, we have A as the wife of C and D as the daughter of C. So we have 2 female members. So option number B is correct. ठीक है? चलो next question. Okay, this is also about odd one out, odd one. So what is the given? Murder, kidnap, assassinate and kill. You can see murder means death, dying. Murder means someone is killing you. Kidnap, you know what is the meaning of kidnap. Then assassinate also means kill, and kill also means kill is given as kill. So in A, C and D we are seeing that murder, assassinate and kills means death. Murder, assassinate and kills means death, but in kidnap we are not dead. So option number B is correct, because rest 3 options, that is A, C and D, we are related to death, but in kidnap it is not related to death. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन। ठीक है, सो क्वेश्चन सेज which two signs should be interchanged in the following equation to make it correct. So two signs should be changed. So what is the question here? 15 minus 5 plus 8 times 3 divided by 7 gives us 20. So if we smart play here, you can see 3 cannot be divided by 7. So we have to see which option gives us division sign. Which option gives us division sign? So you can see multiply and minus is not related because we cannot divide 3 by 7. So option number A is incorrect. Option number A is incorrect. Let's see with option number B. What it is given? Minus and divide. So if we go with 15, minus sign will change to divide, plus 8 times 3, and the divide sign, see, divide sign should be changed to minus, that is 7. Let's see if we go with this 5 times 3, which gives us 3 plus 8 3s are 24 minus 7, which gives us 24 plus 3 gives us 27. 27 minus 7 gives us 20. So what is it is required? We have to find 20. So option number B is correct. We do not have to go with option number C and option number D. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट पे। ओके, so what it is given? Y. It is given Y is related to 4 and P is related to 121. Okay, how is this possible? If we see Y, what is the opposite of Y? What is the opposite of Y? We know it is B. See, if we write A B, then we get Z Y at the last one. See, opposite of B is Y. And what is the place value of B? Place value of B is 2, and 2 square, which gives us 4. Similarly, if we see what is the opposite of P, opposite of P is K. K's place value is 11, and 11 square, which gives us 121. See, it gives us 121. So what is the logic here? The logic here is the letters are opposite and squaring the place value of the opposite letter, which gives us the possible answer. So what we get? V. So what is the opposite? What is the opposite of V? It is E. What is the place value of E? We know it is 5. And what is 5 square, which gives us 25. So option number D is correct. So what we can see here, opposite values are squared. See, opposite of Y is B, it is 2, and 2 squared is 4. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट पे। It is also missing, not series, it is missing number. Missing number, ठीक है। 4 3 2 8 gives us 32. 5 3 1 9 gives us 24. 7 3 3 7 gives us 70. So what will 2 8 6 4 gives us? Okay, 4 3 2 8 gives us 32. Okay, if we multiply 4 3s are, we get 12. If we multiply again 12 2s are 24, and if we add 8, we get 32. Let's see the next one. If we multiply 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 1 is 15, and adding 9, we get 24. So we have cracked the logic. What is the logic? The first 3 numbers the first three numbers are multiplied and added with the last digit. So if we see 7 times 3, which gives us 21, 21 times 3 gives us 63, and 63 added with 7, which gives us 70. So let's see. So what is the question? 2 times 8 times 6 plus 4 gives us what? So we see that 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 6, which gives us 96, 96 plus 4 gives us 100. So option number C is correct. So what was the logic here? The logic here was multiplying the first three digits, and adding with the last digit gives us 100. Okay, chalo. Next is also about missing numbers. Missing number. Okay. So what it is given? 12, 11, 6, 9 gives 78. So what will be 10, 14, 7, 8? If we see, let's multiply 12 and 11. What we get? 132. If we multiply 6, 9, 54. If we subtract it, we get 78. See, we are getting 78. So what was the logic here? Multiplying the upper two digits, multiplying the lower two digits, and subtracting it, we are getting the resultant answer. So multiplying the upper two digits, we get 140. Multiplying the lower two digits, we are getting 56, and subtracting it, we are getting 84. Option number A. So the logic here was multiplying the upper two digits, multiplying the lower two digits, and subtracting it. So the option here is 84. Chalo. Hope you got it. Chalo, next pe. Okay. Next is again missing series. So what it is given? F goes to I goes to L, then what will L goes to? If we see F goes to I, that means it is going with plus 3. I goes to L, again plus 3. So L plus 3, that should be O. Okay. Then A goes to E, plus 4. E goes to I, again plus 4. So I should go with plus 4, that is M. And if we see, no other option starts with OM except A, so answer should be A. If we want to see again, okay, see K goes to M, plus 2, M goes to O, plus 2, then O should again go with plus 2. Q, see, OMQ. So the first letter is plus 3, second letter is plus 4, and the last letter is plus 2. Plus 3, plus 4, and plus 2. ठीक है, चलो next one. Again relation between whom? Mammals, humans, and cow. What are mammals? What are mammals? Mammals we know who give birth to young ones. We know mammals are who gives birth to the young ones. So we know humans also give birth to the young ones, and cow also give birth to the young ones. So we know humans is related to mammals. Similarly, cow is also related to mammals, and humans and cows are two different species. So we can see closely, mammals should be the bigger portion, then humans, and then cows. If we look option number D, see, if we go with mammals here, humans here, and cow here, this is absolutely correct, because in mammals we have humans also and cows also. We know some mammals are also, example, we have a whale, we have dolphin, we have dogs, we have cats, right? So option number D is correct, because see, mammals, humans, cow, this portion is correct, but mammals should be related with humans and cows. Option C is incorrect. If we go with mammals, humans, cow, human and cow are not related to each other. Option B is also incorrect, and A is also incorrect, because if we go with mammals, humans, cows, see, so option number D is correct. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट पे. Okay, is about orders and rankings. Orders and ranking. So what it is given in question, Ramesh ranks 13th of a class of 40 students. So if we write Ramesh 13, that means before Ramesh there should be 12 students. So before Ramesh there should be 12 students, because Ramesh is 13th. Okay, then we have, there are 7 students below Suresh. So if we write Suresh here, 7 students are below him. That means he is 8th from the bottommost position. He is 8th. He is 8th from the bottommost position. So how many students are total here? We see that Ramesh, we have 13 over here. We have 7 and plus 1, 8 students over here. So total we get 21 students till now. So what does the question says? How many students are there between Ramesh? So how many students are there between them? So total student was 40. We got 21. So just subtract the total 40 students by the students we got 19. That means 19 students should be between them. So option number B is correct. So 19 students will be between Ramesh and Suresh. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट पे. ठीक है, next question is again order and ranking. Orders. So what it is given, there are 5 films K, L, M, N, P not are shown from Monday to Friday. Okay, are shown from Monday to Friday. So just write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. ठीक है, and only one film is screened in each day, and only one films are shown on each particular day. Okay, then what is given, film K is shown on Monday. That means K is shown on Monday. Okay, I'm just writing with another colored pen. So K is shown on Monday. Then we have 2 films are shown between N and P. 2 films, that means N. 2 films are shown between N and P. So either N should be here, P should be here, or P should be here, N should be here. So we are making 2 possibilities. See, it is possibility number 1, this is possibility number 2, because we don't know 2 gap. So 2 gap is this. Next, what we have, L was just after P. L is watched just after P, so there is no possible gap L over here, because it is screened only till Friday. So option number 1 is incorrect. L is watched here just after P, and the remaining who was there, M. So remaining one was M. So this is our last. So what is the question states? The question states how many films are shown before M. How many films are shown before M? So M is here. How many films are shown? 1, 2, 3. Option number A is correct. So before M, 3 films are screened. 3 films are shown before M. So option number A, 3. ठीक है, चलो next. Okay, next question. What does the next question says? Next question says certain language MOCK is written as ILAJ. So what will be the cost for test? Okay, चलो ठीक है. MOCK, it is given as ILAJ. ठीक है. If you are not able to do reverse counting from M to I, just go with I to M. Just go with I to M. If you are not able to do from M to I, just make it I to M. You are getting my point? If you are not able to do reverse counting from M to I, just go with I to M. If we see from I to M, it should be 4. See, I, J, K, L, M, 4. So L, O, we are getting 3. A, C, we are getting 2. And J, K, we are getting 1. So M minus 4 should be I. O minus 3 should be L. C minus 2 should be A. And K minus 1 should be J. So what is the logic? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. ठीक है? So what does test gives us? T, E, S, T. So what it will be? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So T minus 4, that means if we count from, let's go with P, Q, R, S, T, we are getting P. Then minus 3 means if we go with from B, C, D, E, we are getting B. Then S, if we go with minus 2, we know it is Q, and T minus 1, it is S. So option is PBQS, PBQS, option number 4. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, it is again about relation. So what is given? In certain code language, uncle is written as aunt, grandfather is written as grandmother. So what will be the code for husband? We know uncle is married to aunt, grandfather is married to the grandmother, so husband should be married with wife. Uncle and aunt are married couples, grandfather and grandmother are also married couples, so husband should be the married couple of wife. ठीक है, चलो next question. Okay, next question also again about statements and conclusion. Chalo, so what is the first question? What is the first statement? Some beautiful are intelligent. Some beautiful are intelligent. Then all intelligent are toppers. All intelligent are toppers. So statement is completed. Now first conclusion says some toppers are beautiful. Okay, I'm just okay. Some toppers are beautiful. See, we can see this part. Some toppers are beautiful. Some toppers are beautiful. So option number 1 is correct. See this part. Some toppers are beautiful. We can see that. Some toppers are beautiful. Next, What is the second conclusion says? Some toppers are intelligent. See, some toppers are obviously intelligent. Yes, some toppers are intelligent. We can see that. So option number 1 is also correct. Option number 2 is also correct. And what is option number 3 given, or conclusion 3 given? It is given some beautiful are toppers. Some beautiful are toppers. Yes, some beautiful are toppers. See, so all the 3 conclusions are correct. So what it is given? Option number 3. All conclusion 1, 2 and 3 follows. So option 3 is correct. ठीक है, चलो. So what it is given? Smoke is related to pollution. So what does fire gives us? Smoke gives pollution. Fire gives us what? Fire gives us ash. Because if everything is burned down, the leftover residue is known as ash. So fire gives us ash. And the last question for today's session is a puzzle. It is a puzzle. ठीक है, चलो. So last question is about puzzle. So it is given there are 8 persons, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, all having different weights. Okay, only 2 persons. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Let's make the heaviest person as 1. Okay, chalo, I am writing here. Let's make the heavy person, heaviest is 1 and the lightest is 8. So I'm just writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ठीक है, चलो. So what does it is given? So the first is given only 2 persons are lighter than F. Only 2 persons are lighter than F. That means only 2 persons. That means F should be in the 6th place. Only 2 persons are lighter than F. That means no other person is lighter than F. Only 2 persons. Then F is heavier than A but lighter than D. What it is given? F is heavier than A but lighter than B. So F is heavier than A. We don't know A can be here. If we go with another possibilities, F here, A here, and we don't know B. B can be in any of the top 5 places. So I'm just writing like this. ठीक है, चलो. Next what is given is lighter than B. Next it is given D is lighter than E. It is given D is lighter than E but heavier than G. Then E, D, G should be there. We don't know in which place. That means E in the middle there should be D and then should we have G. Then we have H is lighter than A. H is lighter than A. See, H cannot be in the 9th place because only 8 persons are there. So possibility number 2 is cancelled out. So H is lighter than A. Then we have C is heavier than E. C is heavier than E. C is heavier than E. And C is not the heaviest person. That means C should not be here. So if we see C, E, D, G, there are 4 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can go with C, E, D and G, and here it is given that F should be lighter than B. So B should be here. See, F is lighter than B, F is lighter than B. So this is our correct puzzle or the answer. So what it is given? The weight of the second heaviest. Who is the second heaviest? This one, his weight is 78, and the second lightest is A, his weight is 48. So what is the question says? The question says how many persons are lighter than the person who is just lighter than D. Okay, the question says D is just below the person. How many persons are lighter than the below person of D? Who is just below D? It is G. And how many persons are lighter than G? We have 1, 2, 3. Questions given is how many persons are lighter than the person who is just lighter than D. Who is just lighter than D? It is G. And how many persons are lighter than G? We have 3. So option number B is correct. So this was the last question for today's session. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next practice session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.